How to use curd for hair rejuvenation. Curd for hair is one of the old times remedy, which the grandmothers love to tell with all their enthusiasm. The reason behind this excitement is due to the added benefits of the curd and easy preparation of it at home. Curd is the fermented product of the milk, prepared by the bacterial fermentation of the milk. Its role is well known from the Vedic times. It is renowned for managing gastrointestinal problems and diarrhea. Along with its health benefits, it also has found to be advantageous for hair. Today, people are more aware of their hair care. Hence, the importance of hair care products along with proper hair care routine has become double. The home remedies in this context play a very essential role. The easily available home ingredients due to their amazing hair care properties are the best to revive and strengthen the hair. For instance, natural oils and onions are found to be best for hair rejuvenation. In a similar manner, curd is also a great home remedy. Curd for hair is a boon. Curd strengthens and deep conditions the hair, treats dandruff and initiates hair growth. Let's explore how to use curd for hair to make hair robust, silkier and smoother. Curd as hair conditioner. Curd works as a good conditioning agent. It makes hair smooth and shine by reducing the frizz and dryness of the hair follicles and scalp. It goes deep into the scalp and provides deep intense moisturization. For old times, people applied curd to their hair for this reason. It is a natural hair conditioner. With regular application of this, you surely can see a change in your hair texture and looks. Let's explore some of the great home remedies of curd as hair conditioning agent. 1. Curd and honey for hair, best combination for frizzy and dry hair. These efficiently work together to add a deep moisture to hair and scalp. Ingredients: 1 cup curd and 2 teaspoons honey. Method of preparation: mix both the ingredients in a bowl, apply onto hair and scalp. Massage your scalp and leave it for about 20 minutes. Afterwards, do shampoo into hair with a good hair rejuvenating shampoo and nourishing conditioner. 2. Curd and banana, good combination to make hair smoother and healthier. The regular use of this mask leaves hair frizz-free and silkier. Ingredients: take fresh 4 tablespoons homemade curd, 1 ripe banana and 2 teaspoons honey. Method of preparation: mash the ripe banana. Add curd and honey into the ripe banana. Blend all the ingredients and apply mask all over the hair, especially onto the scalp, hair roots and hair tips. Leave for about 30 minutes and wash with a gentle shampoo. Curd as anti-dandruff agent. Are you suffering from dandruff? There is no need to worry. With the combination of a good anti-dandruff shampoo, curd can solve this hair problem. Being an antibacterial agent, curd also acts as a potent anti-dandruff agent. It can be used in certain ways to get rid of dandruff, like the following ones. 1. Simple curd. Take 1 cup of curd and apply it over all hair and onto the scalp. Leave for about 1 hour and wash your hair with a good anti-dandruff shampoo. 2. Curd and lemon for hair. Ingredients: 1 cup curd and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Method of preparation: mix both the ingredients, apply onto your hair and cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave for about 40 minutes and rinse with an anti-dandruff shampoo. Follow this remedy 2 times a week for a month. Curd as hair strengthener. Being enriched with protein, zinc, fatty acids and B vitamins, curd efficiently aids in strengthening the hair. It reduces hair fall and makes hair follicles robust. 1. Curd and fenugreek. Ingredients: 1 cup curd and teaspoonful of ground fenugreek seeds. Method of preparation: mix both the ingredients, apply onto the scalp. Leave for about 1 hour and wash with a gentle shampoo. Curd as hair growth. By making hair stronger and smoother, curd tends to improve the length of the hair as well. You can go for the following ways to use curd for hair growth. 1. Curd and curry leaves. Ingredients: curry leaves a handful and 1 cup curd. Method of preparation: wash and grind the curry leaves, add curd in it and make a smooth paste. Apply this curd hair mask in roots and on overall hair. Leave for about 30 minutes and rinse with a good shampoo. Use this mask once a week. Curd and olive oil. Ingredients: extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon, curd 1 cup, lime juice 1 tablespoon and water 2 cups. Method of preparation: mix olive oil and curd. Blend this mixture. Now mix lime juice and water in another jar. Now rinse your hair with shampoo and remove excess water from hair using a soft towel. Apply this hair olive oil and curd mixture onto the dampening hair follicles and leave for about 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse the hair with lukewarm water. Now go for lime and water mixture and you are done with this remedy. Do this remedy 2 times a week. Curd for split ends. Curd is also a good home remedy for split ends. It will help to repair your hair. For this, you need curd and castor oil. Ingredients: castor oil 1 tablespoon and curd half cup cream. Method of preparation: mix all 3 ingredients. Apply onto scalp, hair and comb the hair. Leave it for about 30 minutes. Rinse simply with lukewarm water and apply hair serum afterwards. Follow this remedy once a week. These are the amazing hair protecting benefits of curd for hair. Curd is really a magical cure for damaged hair. Follow these remedies along with good quality and sulfate-free hair care products to get your strong, silky and healthy hair back. You can also check out the benefits of curd for face. I'll provide the video link in the description box. Please have a look. I hope you like this video. Experience healthy skin and hair derma essentia.